Supreme Court is likely to hear a petition filed challenging the Delhi High Court's verdict legalizing gay sex. The petition filed by a Delhi astrologer, Suresh Kumar Kaushal, has sought the quashing of the July 2nd verdict of the High Court legalizing gay sex between consenting adults in private. The High Court, in a landmark verdict, legalized gay sex among consenting adults. The verdict had retained the penal provision for non-consenting gay and homosexual acts involving minors. So here's a look at what the anti-gay petition says. Well, Kaushal's petition says the High Court judgment would result in a spread of HIV. He also says that gay sex is against what Indian society stands for. Kaushal has contended that homosexual acts by all standards are unnatural and cannot be permitted. Well, so the gay debate has been stoked once again. That's the big story we're going to be tracking here on Times Now today. For more, let's go across to Rhythm in the capital.
Right, Niharika, this is the big story that we are tracking on Times Now right now. We are at the Supreme Court where this petition will be heard today. It's an SLP that's been filed by an astrologer challenging the Delhi High Court's judgment legalizing homosexuality. Now, the grounds that this astrologer, the petitioner, gives in his petition are that homosexuality is unnatural, it is a crime, it is against Indian scriptures, and it's also something that will lead to the spread of HIV virus. Barely within a week of the Delhi High Court's order, the judgment that was a landmark, revolutionized the living for homosexuals in India. And this appeal is going to be heard in the Supreme Court today. On July 2nd, the Delhi High Court had passed its landmark order in which it said that homosexuality was not a crime. It can be legalized. It was legalized. It was violative of certain fundamental rights that have to be given to each citizen. This is also coming in the spate of yet another petition that is going to be filed very soon. It's in the process of being drafted by Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev. That petition too will be taken up soon. If this petition is taken up, that petition is still in the stages of being drafted. It will be or might be filed in the Supreme Court today or tomorrow. Clearly, this is something that is going to be appealed in the Supreme Court. Let's also remember that the Delhi High Court judgment does very clearly say that if the Parliament chooses to make a clarification or make an amendment, it should keep in mind the 172nd report which was given out by the Law Commission. Now, clearly, this is also coming when the Delhi High Court was expecting certain appeals to the Supreme Court in this matter. What we have to wait and watch right now is whether the Supreme Court today will issue a notice on this matter. We'll keep you posted on the details. Thanks very much indeed
for joining us with that from New Delhi. And like Rhythm was saying, there are others who want to take this matter to the apex court. One of them is yoga exponent Baba Ramdev, who slammed the ruling of the High Court.
एक ही बात पूरे देश से कहना चाहता हूं और देश के तमाम उन लोगों से कहना चाहता हूं जो कानून बनाने वाले हैं। यदि इस तरह का ये कानून इसको कानूनन पूरी मान्यता दी गई, अभी तो खाली उसके ऊपर एक बहस छिड़ी है, अभी कोई बात बनी नहीं है। लेकिन यदि सरकारों ने इसके जो है समलैंगिकता को जायज ठहराने का कानून बनाया तो हम सड़कों पर आंदोलन करेंगे। अपनी संस्कृति को, अपनी सभ्यता को, अपने मूल्यों को, अपने आदर्शों को हम कतई नष्ट नहीं होने देंगे। ये जो लोग समलैंगिकता की वकालत कर रहे हैं या उसके कानून बनाने की जो बात कर रहे हैं, ये और जो वैसा व्यवहार कर रहे हैं, ये सब लोग शारीरिक रूप से कम, मानसिक रूप से ज्यादा बीमार हैं।